Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Of course, it turned out that this was not the case. And Pepe is probably in for the same thing. The sad truth is that before Pepe came up, coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu were already in decline. For many investors, the resurrection of the meme coin, which serves no purpose, has proven to be amazing. However, the most important thing we have learned is that you must know when to abandon these endeavors. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to improve your financial future. If this video was useful, we believe the Pepe mania may be over, but that doesn't mean you can't locate the next meme coin that will inflate identically. We believe there are currently 2 contenders for the meme coin crown who are available on the market. What's going on, everyone? Greetings from the channel again. Merry Friday. Today, we have some bullish Pepe news for you because many people think a breakout has been verified. Many people believe an all-time high is imminent because they are comparing the Shiba Inu chart of 2021 to the Pepe chart, which shows the most well-known meme point in 2023. First of all, happy June 9th, people. Pepe is constantly on top of memes. Hello and happy June 9th. Guys, this is big news that not many people are talking about. Pepe just surpassed 300,000 followers on Twitter after being active for less than 2 months. All natural, all genuine followers. Guys, salute the Pepe army and congratulations on 300k. But as I just mentioned, Pepe has won 7 games today. It was only up 7% for the day and was trading at $488.96, or roughly $489 million. As I have mentioned, many individuals think a Pepe breakout is just around the corner. And why, when you take a look at this graph? Guys, which was evidently released on April 19th and quickly rose to a $1.6 billion markup, has been consolidating ever since. However, if you've been in the meme point market, you'll notice that many meme points are down 90% to 95%. Guys, not Pepe. Pepe is maintaining a solid position at a market cap of $400 million to $600 million, which is extremely positive. Now guys, I'm going to pull out the Shiba Inu chart in a second, but you need to look at this since May 13th because Pepe has been consolidating in this area for almost a month at this point. What makes consolidations positive then? Although some people are selling, others are getting a chance to join in. Guys, when you consider this protracted period of consolidation, the longer a token consolidates, the more opportunities there are for investors to buy it, and the greater the likelihood that it will soar and see parabolic growth when the markets do correct. According to the allegations, Zhao and Binance aggressively concealed who was running the platform while deceiving investors about their risk controls and tainted trading volumes. By announcing fake controls that were ignored behind the scenes so they could keep valuable US customers on their platforms, the manipulative trading of its affiliated market maker and even where and with whom investor funds and crypto assets were held attempted to evade US securities laws. The general population should exercise caution while using or putting any of their hard-earned money on these illegal networks. Binance is not the only target in the crossfire. Not even a day had passed when word of the Binance lawsuit first surfaced when the SEC revealed it would also be suing Coinbase. The crypto asset trading platform was charged with operating as an unlicensed clearing agency and broker on a national securities exchange. Additionally, Coinbase was accused of not registering the offer and sale of its staking as a service program for cryptocurrency assets. The Southern District of New York U.S. District Court received the SEC's complaint. Claims that various registration requirements of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934 were broken by Coinbase and CGI. Additionally, it implies that Coinbase broke the Securities Act of 1933's registration requirements for securities offerings. Injunctive remedy, restoration of ill-gotten gains plus interest penalties, and other equitable relief are requested in the case. The general population should exercise caution while using or putting any of their hard-earned money on these illegal networks. Kevin Gensler next week. Learn these 5 cryptographic basics. Heinemann, Ripple, and SECV docs. the cryptocurrency market is in for a tremendous week. While the US CPI report and the Fed will have an impact on the market, the SEC. A hectic week is coming for Ripple in the US. Financial calendar. The US focuses on inflation, the Fed's decision on interest rates, and FOMC forecasts. Unredacted versions of the controversial William Hinman speech-related documents will be made available by the SEC, which may result in a settlement. Investors should also take into account U.S. retail sales and the manufacturing index from the Philadelphia Federal. In the second half of the week, figures on Michigan's consumer confidence and jobless claims are expected. Economic information from China will also need to be taken into account given the continuing recessionary fears. The dial will be moved on Thursday by data on industrial production and retail sales. The crypto market cap was $19 billion this morning, down from $87.8 billion, or 7.93%, as the SEC forced Binance US to change its business model. XRP SEC. The speech materials for William Hinman were released on June 13th. The SEC will make available on June 13th any speech-related papers that have been withheld from the public since 2021. In at least 7 motions, the SEC has sought to protect the documents under the attorney-client privilege. But in the middle of May, the court rejected the SEC's final request to have the records of Hinman's speech sealed. Unredacted papers pertaining to speech could significantly affect the conclusion of the SEC v. Ripple case, which has been continuing since December 2020. Importantly, the information could exert pressure on U.S. politicians to restrain the SEC and reconsider their approach to regulation by enforcement, which has caught the attention of several platforms and resulted in accusations against Binance US. Coinbase, COZ, Binance, and Binance SEC-related hints the Ripple settlement would be beneficial for XRP and the market as a whole. News about SEC v Coinbase and SEC v Binance will also change the dial. Data on the US and Chinese economies. The US is in for a tremendous week. Financial calendar. One of the 5 things about cryptocurrency in the US to know: there will be a lot of attention in the CPI report. On Tuesday, bets on a more hawkish Fed interest rate trajectory to control inflation would be fueled by sticky inflation. Prior to the Fed interest rate decision, the FOMC economic forecasts, and the Powell press conference, where a surprise 25 basis point boost and a hawkish outlook would weigh. Wholesale inflation statistics on Wednesday will also influence the market. As previously mentioned, the senior Ripple attorney emphasized the SEC's wager on a shock and awe approach as it filed cases against the 2 largest exchanges, Binance and Coinbase. "My money is still completely on the rule of law," he continued. The 13th of June is significant. On June 13th, it's anticipated that the publicly redacted documents of former SEC officer William Hinman will be made available, along with cross-applications for summary judgment in the Ripple case. In a speech from 2018, Hinman proclaimed Ethereum to be insecure. The fresh lawsuits filed against Binance and Coinbase have raised expectations about what the Hinman documents may mean for the whole cryptocurrency industry. I appreciate you coming. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Until the next video, take care.